Welcome to Toyama. Unboxing Toyama 8 model switch. Touch Art T18 127. Insert a screwdriver in the side slot of the switch and remove the glass. Safely keep the two mounting screws. Carefully look at the circuit diagram sticker at the back of the switch for wiring. First terminal is neutral. Second one is phase. Next, on-off load. On-off load. Dimmer circuit. One more dimmer circuit. On-off circuit. On-off circuit. On-off circuit. Phase terminal. On-off circuit. Phase terminal. On-off circuit terminal. Switch off the MCB. Identify the wires in the metal box on the wall. It's a neutral, phase, load, dimmer circuit loads, on-off circuit loads, 7 on-off. Ensure the phase wire size is 2.5 to 4 square mm and identify the neutral wire. Make a joint in phase wire to loop out 2 additional phase wires. Properly strip and twist all the wires for firm connection in these switch terminals. First, connect the phase wire and the neutral wire to the terminals P and N in the switch. This will give 220 volts AC to the switch for operating. Switch on the MCB and check the switch is powered up and LEDs are glowing. Touch each key of the switch without glass and without connecting loads. Confirm all the keys are functioning properly. Switch off the MCB once again. Now connect the other two looped phase wires to the 2 other phase terminals. Connect one by one all the 7 load wires to the on-off terminals. Connect both the fan or dimmer wires to the fan terminals. Neutrally push all the wires evenly to the back of metal box. Use only fixing screws supplied along with the switch and fix the switch to the metal box and tight them gently till the switch is aligned and firm with the wall. Ensure the screw heads are inside the plastic slot. Avoid using wood screws with big heads as the head will be outside the slot. This will obstruct the glass, which in turn will make the touch sense hard or improper. Position the glass onto the switch properly and evenly push all the sides for locking the glass onto the switch. Check the glass all round for full and proper locking all round. Now switch on the MCB once again. All LEDs will glow on the glass and check the loads are on. Off. On the fan or dimmer button. First key 25%, second key 50%, third key 75%, fourth key 100%. Factory default colors are blue, half, amber. Touch and hold the center or master icon for 10 seconds. One after other 7 colors will change it. When the chosen color will be for on position, if the master icon color was green during touch and hold, the chosen color will be for off position if the master icon color was red during touch and hold. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the 8 model Toyama touch art switch.